Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. We are talking today about a dish that until about 5 years ago I didn't even really like.
Yeah.
My friend Chuki is here to help us make what?
Brussels sprouts. I like to call them roasted Brussels sprouts. Kind of with a little spin.
Okay, so tell everybody the spin. Give us the process.
So I usually wash my Brussels sprouts and then I will cut them in half. If I'm going to keep the stems, because that's what Nana says where the nutrients are, I'll just leave them. But if someone doesn't like the stems, I'll be nice to cut them off. But I'll cut them in half, I'll slice them in half, and then I'll set them aside. And then I'll slice my onion, a red onion. And it's usually about a half onion, or if you like more, add more, right?
Yeah,
this is your home, your thing.
Yeah.
And then I add bacon. And so we cut the bacon about this wide, and we slice that up. And if you're a bacon lover, the more
Add
the
more. Add
right.
more. Yeah, yeah.
If you're kind of on the healthier side, okay, cool. Add a little less. After that, I put all of the contents in a bowl. I add about a cup of brown sugar. And we mix it up with some olive oil, lemon pepper seasoning. And then we lay it on a roasting pan and we roast it for about 15 minutes on low, not high, because you will burn them because of the sugar.
Yeah.
And then toss them so it gets coated well. And then another 15 minutes on low, and then they should be done, and then drain.
Let me tell you about this dish. It is fabulous. These Brussels sprouts are amazing. And if you have someone in your life that maybe is like, I don't really care for them,
this is the only way to eat Brussels sprouts.
You need to try.
This is the only way to eat Brussels sprouts.
And head over to wkbw.com/7life to get Chuki's recipe. I promise you, your family will thank you for it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.